Hello everyone, today I will show you how to reset AirPods from previous owner. And here's how it's done. Step 1. Forget the AirPods. Go to Settings, Bluetooth on your iPhone. Tap the eye icon next to the AirPods name. Tap Forget this device. Step 2. Put AirPods in the case. Place both AirPods in the charging case. Keep the lid open. Step 3. Reset the AirPods. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for 15 seconds. Wait until the LED flashes amber, then white. Step 4. Check for activation lock. Try pairing the AirPods with your iPhone. If it says AirPods belong to another Apple ID, the previous owner needs to remove them from their Find My account. Step 5. Ask the previous owner to unlink. They should go to iCloud.com, find iPhone, all devices, select the AirPods, and click Remove from Account. And that is everything you should know about how to reset AirPods from previous owner. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.